Hi, fitness friends. Mastery Mindsets is a system that I really enjoy. It's woven throughout our workouts, and at our gym we try to teach people and encourage these mastery mindsets. Really what they are is affirmations. They're not a prayer or a pledge, but you could always adapt them as such if that fit your personal philosophy. Really what they are is gentle reminders. It's things that most of us have been taught ever since we were little. Things that we know, it's just that people don't always do what they know. There is an expression that I like, and it goes like this. Successful people don't need to be told, just reminded. So having reminders, even as a seasoned adult, is not a bad thing, and it's certainly not me talking down to you. It's just trying to encourage us to keep in the forefront of our mind certain philosophies that can align our moral compass with what is right. And especially when we find ourselves in times of need, it's empowering to have these reminders. It can fuel us into action. So, mastery mindset number 1, I can, I will. It's a simple affirmation that a lot of people discredit for something more advanced or complicated. You don't need something more complicated. Simple oftentimes is more ideal. Easy to remember, not as easy to apply, but with mindful effort, definitely worth it. The idea is to affirm in yourself that whatever the challenge is that is presented before you, if you believe that you can get it done, chances are you will take the right steps to get it done. It's not about being arrogant or boastful, and it's not about just saying I can do it and then not taking action. It's supposed to calm your anxiety and motivate you into starting to begin whatever the process is to make your dreams reality. Start each day with an I can, I will mindset. Type it up on your computer, print it out, and put it up somewhere where you'll see it every day. I can, I will is an affirmation that reminds us that we have potential, at the very least, the potential to get this task, this challenge, this goal, this dream accomplished. And if there's hope, shoot, if you have hope, you have a lot. So, mastery mindset number 1, I can, I will.